Hello everybody, Smart Cowboy here. This is just a quick video. I'm going to put another cup holder on the Spider. This was the one I had before. It's a Kimimoto, and it did fine. I really didn't have any complaints on it, except it just stuck out too far. So when I got off the bike, I had to put my big old belly in the handlebar in, and then it would always hang this, and I didn't like that very much, so I took it off. So I did this on the Scoot when I had it. This is a boat cup holder. So all it is just a foldable cup holder here. See if I can do this one-handed. There we go. And it adjusts to whatever size cup that you want. And for added rigidness or stability, I put an old frame bracket that I had just for, being more stable and stuff. And then I found a bolt that was the correct size that fits into the tough cups there. And then I went online. I tried to find a sticker for it. So this is what I'm going to put on it. Telephone's ringing. My wife will get it. So here's the spam. So next thing you'll see is the finished product, and then I'll put it on the bike. Well, there it is. Put the sticker on it. So now let's go put it on the Spider. Well, there's the finished product on there. I think it looks good. It's pretty good. A lot flatter. I can adjust it to whatever bottle or whatever I've got. So I like it. Looks good. All right, that's it. That's all I got for today. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here at the Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda here in Smyrna, Tennessee. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.